Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the error code 0x80004005 or 0x80004005 on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. First method, click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on System, which is the second option right there. Scroll down and you'll find Troubleshoot. Here you'll find other troubleshooters, and here you'll find Windows Update with a run button corresponding to it. So try running the Windows Update troubleshooter. Now what this step will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that is that it will give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So try to run the Windows Update troubleshooter first, and then for the next method, you have to click again on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select Windows Update, which is the very last option there. Scroll down and you have to click on the advanced options. Scroll down a bit and you'll find additional options, and here you'll find optional updates, feature, quality, and driver updates. And here you'll find the Windows updates and the driver updates. So what you can do, especially for the driver updates, you need to download and install the available driver updates right here under optional updates. So what you can do, just simply check this box that corresponds to that driver, and then you have to select this download and install button, and you just need to wait for that until that is downloaded and installed into your Windows. And for the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar and type in here CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Now here in this block window with administrative rights for command prompt, type sfc /scan now. So it's sfc /scan now and hit the enter key on your keyboard. So what this process will do is that, so by the way, this is the system file checker scan. SFC stands for system file checker. And what this process will do is that this will check, fix, and repair all system corrupted files on your Windows, which is a very helpful fix. So the verification process will start from 1% and will goes up to 100%, but there is no specific duration for the process. But once the process goes up to 100% completed, then close out of here, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task mgr, which stands for task manager. Click on that under the best match. Now maximize the task manager window, and here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find startup apps. Now change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows. So what you can do is that if that is an unnecessary startup program on your Windows, then you have to simply disable that. Just simply make a right click and then you have to select disable. So most of the unnecessary startup programs on my Windows are already disabled. So in your case, you have to simply make a right click and then disable the unnecessary startup program on your Windows. And for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type system configuration. You'll find system configuration under the best match. Go ahead and click on that. Now here in the system configuration window, you'll find a general tab, which is the very first tab from here. You'll find selective startup with two options, load system services and load startup items. Now simply uncheck this option. Click on the boot tab. In here you'll find safe boot. Just simply check this box or enable the safe boot. Click on the services tab. Then click on this box, hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all. And then you have to click on apply and click on OK. And here you have to click on the restart option, and that's it. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.